What is manufacturing? Manufacturing is early morning coffee in hand, paving the way to a better life. It's staying late on Thursday so birthdays can happen on a Friday. It's the late night phone call to fix a flat tire or roses brought home for an anniversary. Manufacturing is people, dedicated to keeping the world moving and our supply chains open, even in the wake of a global pandemic. Manufacturing is life. It's often said that necessity is the mother of invention. Manufacturing invents and innovates to meet the needs and improve lives. Manufacturing is not just machines and conveyor belts. It's the people behind the machines. The mothers, fathers, sons and daughters working hard to keep us fed, bringing us joy, and making our lives better for everyone. These are the manufacturing heroes. Who's your manufacturing hero?